Why share large files with cloud storage?
Sharing large files by email is often frustrating due to size limits and slow upload speeds. Cloud storage services make it simple to send even huge files like videos, photos, or documents safely and quickly. These services reduce clutter, provide backup, and support collaboration with friends, coworkers, or clients. Let's explore how you can share big files easily using cloud storage.
Choosing the right cloud storage service.
Popular cloud storage options include Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and iCloud. When picking a service, consider your storage needs, ease of use, and whether your recipients have accounts there. Most services offer free storage up to a certain limit and support sharing links. Remember to review privacy policies if you're sharing sensitive files.
Uploading your file.
Start by signing in to your chosen cloud storage platform. Find the Upload button, usually marked as a plus sign, or Upload option. Select your file. Large files may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Make sure the upload is complete before you attempt to share. Organization helps too, so consider uploading your files into folders.
Sharing the download link safely.
After uploading, locate your file and look for a Share or Get Link option. You can usually copy a link to send via email, text, or any app. Some services allow you to set permissions, like view only or editing access. For added security, restrict access to specific people or require a password if sharing sensitive information.
Tips for efficient and secure file sharing.
To share files efficiently, compress large batches into zip folders before uploading. Always review your sharing settings so only intended recipients have access. Remember to remove old shared links if you no longer want the files accessible. Keep your software updated for the latest security features, and consider cloud services with built-in encryption for extra safety.